All right, let's get this started. So, the last week of the month, we got absolutely cooked, as you can see from the title, but we did profit for the month, which was pretty good. And I'll show you all the numbers at the end of the video. So let's get right into the trades. Let's run through these real quick. Here's the 27th.
Order filled.
Order filled. Let's get it. So right around here, I think it's right around here is where I got stopped out. This trade wasn't doing me any good. And honestly, this week for me, for the way I trade, it just wasn't too good. So, and that's okay. That's completely fine. We still profited. That's all that matters. And bam,
Order
I got
filled.
out. I got out real quick because there was weakness in the trend and I wanted to go long. Second trade of the day, late to the recording. We're going in for a short this time. Nice drop here. Nice drop. And then we instantly reverse. But here's the thing of what happened. Here's what happened. So usually when I get in for a scalp, I'm always looking at the Heikin-Ashi, which is the right side of my chart, right side of the screen. And once I saw this green candle instantly open with the top wick and no bottom wick, I wanted to get out. But of course, I got caught up at work. So I was letting the trade ride. And here we go. I'll show you what actually happened. I'll show you what actually happened here. I was waiting to get back into profit so I can move my stop at least to break even. But here now, since this wick became a top and bottom wick on the Heikin-Ashi, I was waiting for the next candle to open up to give me a sign to get out or stay in. But we just kept pumping and pumping and pumping, and yeah, I think it took us out right around here. There was a lot of volume going on. Right back into the green. I got
Order filled.
I got out right there. New candle opened up. Strong trend going in. All right, the 28th. And I was late to the recording and then instantly got stopped out. 28th again.
Order filled.
Order filled. I'm going to be honest. I broke my rules here. I don't know why I got in off of this candle right here. I actually don't know why. I couldn't tell you. So I had to fast forward a little bit because I had to close my laptop because something was going on at work. And so I had to let this trade just go by itself. And I got stopped out, as you can see here. All right, here we go. The 29th. Got filled in here. Yeah, we instantly got stopped right there. We were getting wrecked this week. All right, 29th right here. Got in for a short. I think this trade did go green, I think. So for some reason, my recording was bugging really hard. So I sold most of my position, put my last contract a tick above profit or a tick under profit where I got entered, and then we got stopped out. My recording was just bugging out. As you can see, the numbers aren't moving here. But I got stopped out at the end. 30th right here, we got
Order canceled.
And I'm bugging out because I didn't set my ATM
Order
strategy to my original strategy point to where it would set my stop loss automatically. So I was bugging out here. So I put my stop at a tick into profit because I didn't know really what was going to happen. This week we had a lot of spikes.
Order filled.
So right there, I ordered filled.
Order canceled.
Sold, most of my position. I still have one
Order
running.
Canceled.
And right here, I was just going to put a mental stop because I wasn't about to deal with all this.
Order filled.
Right there. Now we got in here. This was a really good entry. Really good entry. But, like I said, this week had a lot of spikes for no reason. Look at that. Got us out
filled.
Instantly. Sucks. Now for the second trade here, I went against my rules and it costed me because the setup that set up after this, once it stopped me out, my exact setup formed and I should have gotten in there and I shouldn't have taken this trade, but coulda, woulda, shoulda.
Order filled.
Or I actually got out early. Okay, so here is my last week's P&L. We sucked for sure. Absolutely got demolished this week. These are my trades. We got absolutely demolished. Now let me show you my monthly profit. So for the month of January, 36.53.60, not too bad, pretty good. Winning trades 42%, losing trades 52%, but this is good because we cut our losses short. That's why we have a 52% losing trades. We cut our losses short, and our winning trades they outweigh the losses because our losses are super small. But definitely got fucked with fees. I am buying the lifetime license very soon, so that will cut back a lot on the fees. And yeah, let's get February going. Let's try to double this at least. Let's get more than 36.53 for February. And I'll see y'all tomorrow, Monday morning. Let's get it.